I took a 90s, 2000s makeup look and made it warm, and I am obsessed. Applying the Maybelline Eraser Color Corrector underneath my eyes and Huda Beauty Papaya, the lighter shade around the mouth to balance out any discoloration in the skin tone. Applying Huda Beauty Concealer on the eyelid and blending it all out. We're going to grab a bronzer, this one's a Gucci. Blending it into the crease for a warm, smoky look. I want this entire look to feel warm, glam, and natural. Quote, quote, natural. I'm going to use the Mercury Retrograde from Huda Beauty. I love this palette. And now I'm going to use this golden shimmer in here. It looks like this right here. Applying that all over the eyelid and right into the crease. See how it kind of matches the bronzer? We're applying that all over the eyelid. Gives you like a nice shimmer. I kind of want to go for like that 90s vibe. It has this green golden sparkle to it. Applying that cream base black in a thin line closer to the lash line along the inner top line to make the top liner look as dark as possible. We're putting this black as close to the lashes on the upper, making it really, really thin. I want the lash line to match, to blend, because I want it really, really black. I am blending all that together. I don't want any gap in between. So I'm gonna grab that black shadow. I love this mascara. This one's the Milani High Rated. Super dark, perfect for bottom lashes in the inner. Applying eyeliner inside the eyes as well. Okay. This is so good. In the color Fuerte. For foundation, I'm going to use this Iluminance Revlon Serum Tint. It is very hydrating for my skin. It looks like skin, it feels like skin, and it gives you the coverage that you need. Onto the cheeks with my fingers and blending it out with a damp sponge. Look how hydrating. Gorgeous. The birds are starting to come hang on my balcony. I think they're like building a nest up there. My dog loves to bark at them. For concealer, I'm going to use this Luminous Soap Perfect Glow. I'm applying it in the mid-face and along the bridge of the nose in a straight line. This concealer is very hydrating for the skin. Blending it out with a damp sponge. It really brightens everything up. This concealer is probably the lightest concealer I have. By the way, I've been doing this new thing. I like to grab this Rare Beauty lip liner in the color Strong, I believe. And I like to shape my nose like this. I decided to try it one time on the go and it worked. Blending it all out. The formula for the lip liner is a lot more drier and heavier, which shapes the nose so well. Then applying concealer on top and sides of the nose and blending that all out is a great way to shape and define the nose. We're gonna grab this bronzer. This was the Milani. It's like this burned shimmer bronzer. What I like about this one, it's perfect for summer to give you like that sun-kissed bronzy vibe. And since we are heading to summer, I really wanna start using this more. We're gonna apply it right at the tip of the nose, giving that illusion. With that bronzer, we're grabbing it in. It'll give you like that more lifted nose. Apply that underneath the eyes and blending it out. We're gonna grab this color right here, this ultraviolet. It has like this black shade and purple, and it'll also pop out the eyes underneath the lash line and blending it all out. I'm gonna grab Momentum, which is like a lighter tone, and we're gonna apply that at the end, adding a shimmer into the tear duct. Pairing a lighter tone in the tear duct with a shimmer really brightens everything up. I want to grab a little bit of mascara, just a tiny bit. Really be mindful with this mascara. Gathered a lot. I'm gonna grab tweezers and just...
I really do love using tweezers on my bottom lashes. They're a little longer and I always forget what mascara can do for them. Touching everything up with Huda Beauty concealer. This one is more matte, just to brighten up the face after all that eyeshadow.
We are gonna use this Too Faced contour stick, the milk chocolate. I honestly forget that I have this one. This one's super creamy, actually like a perfect blend underneath the cheeks.
Cream eyeshadow on the back of my hand, picking it up on a brush and buffing it out onto the cheeks and underneath the jaw to sculpt the face. Topping it all off with the bronzer. I'm bringing so much warmth.
This is a very light, pretty pink.
To balance all the warmth and bring in a cool, girly tone, just to give the illusion of a pink, girly look.
This one's warm gold. Just tapping a little bit on the nose. I want to feel like as if the sun is hitting you. I'm going to apply translucent powder and foundation powder because I want to matte everything. This mint translucent powder, which I've loved lately, underneath the eye. And also taking it up in the forehead. I'm going to spray the hydrating milky mist to rehydrate the face. I'm going to use this MAC Cosmetics foundation powder. I'm trying to experiment which foundation powder works the best. This one does have like a yellow tint to it, this color. Yeah, you can kind of tell, right? But this one is really full coverage. So this one is in the color Muted Pink.
For the lips, I want more of a Victoria's Secret pretty pink on the lips.
With the concealer, we are shaping those lips. I don't like to go out without this. This one's from Huda Beauty in the color Ooh Pink.
I love this lip gloss so much. I just love this formula in general.
Setting spray. I feel so happy when I finish a look. It's like so rewarding for me. I get such a high when I love my makeup at the end. What if I start to grow my bangs out and no bangs? I don't know.